And we're back with another video. Yes, I told you we had videos coming, and we're back with another one. And in today's video, we are actually working on a rug that I was excited for and sad for at the same time, and I'll explain why. If you guys already saw the title of the video, you guys know what rug I made, but I'm going to explain why I was sad and happy making this rug. I've been heavily, and I mean heavily, deep into One Piece. I always talk crap about people who watch One Piece. I said, let me give this show a chance because I've watched Shippuden here and there. I didn't complete it all the way because my brother did, so I didn't have to really watch it because he explained a lot of it to me, so I understood the story. But with One Piece, no one. So I said, let's give it a chance. So I gave One Piece a chance, and now we're here, and I am 800 episodes in. 800. There's 1,000 episodes, and they're still ongoing. But I enjoy it, and I just love it. The storyline, the characters, they're all lovable characters. So I'm into One Piece, and during this filming, I was in the Ace arc. If you guys don't know what the Ace arc is, and I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about if you don't watch One Piece. Anyone who does watch One Piece, you know what I'm talking about, the Ace arc. I'm talking about Marineford Ace arc. Yeah, that one. I was into that. They were just getting out of the prison to go save Ace, and I had no idea what I was in store for. There's a TikTok that I was watching after I finished the Ace arc, and this TikTok came up on my For You page right after that, and I was like, I couldn't relate to the video so much. Here's the TikTok.
So I'm watching One Piece, and I have no friends. I have just found out that Ace has been taken into custody, kidnapped, by the Marines. Now, there's no way in hell that Luffy's gonna do nothing about it. There's no way in hell that he's gonna do nothing about it, alright? He knows that he's in danger, but he doesn't know he's been taken by the Marines. But I know as soon as Luffy finds out, he's gonna go and get him, which means I get to see more Ace, and that means that I'm going to see the love of my life again. And I'm just so excited. You don't understand. This is gonna be the best fucking arc.
Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil if you guys are gonna get into One Piece. So I was like, I want to make the flame fruit for Ace. In honor of Ace, I wanted to make the flame fruit. So what I did was I looked up an image. Didn't like the way the image looked. I kind of wanted to make the outline of the fruit thicker, the lines thicker. They were very thin online. So I hopped on the tablet and drew up flame fruit with a thicker outline. I don't know why I liked it thicker. Once I finished my drawing and I was approved and I liked it, I went onto Photoshop, flipped the image, put it into my SD card, put the SD card into an SD reader, and put it into my projector to project and trace this image. So once I finished tracing the image, I did realize I didn't have enough materials for this image. So I went to Joann's. Luckily, Joann's had a sale. I went ham and bought extra colors as well just to make sure I was good and ready to go. I got the gun ready. I got the yarn ready. We're going to get loaded here. And like I said, I'm working on my angles. I know my angles are shit. I am sorry. I'm working on that. I'm going to figure it out. I'm in experiments right now, and I'm experimenting angles and all this because of this frame. So once this is good to go, once we'll fix the frame, angles, the videos will look a lot cleaner. But at the moment, we have a shitty frame, shitty angles, sorry. But here's just short clips of me just going ham and taking my time with the very small corners of this, image. Because, there's very tight ends, there's very sharp turns and all that. I can't explain it. If you guys are rug makers, you know what I'm talking about. You gotta take your time. Make sure you follow the trace, because if you can't follow the trace, the image isn't gonna look as clean. So what I do, guys, I'm telling you, if you're new into tufting, bursting your gun is the best thing to do because you have control of the gun. If you just go holding that trigger and just go, you're never gonna have a satisfied image. Take it in bursts, take your time, and I'm telling you, trust the process. It's going to be clean. Of course, I didn't record me doing the entire rug out of its entirety because it was big and there was just too much. So I just, cut in pieces of the black into the stem of the fruit, the orange, the red, all of this. And you guys will see that, the time lapses of me going in, cutting it. Some parts you're gonna hear the gun. Sometimes you're gonna hear not the gun because I was actually listening to music outside of my earphones. Or I have my girlfriend over. She's always watching me making rugs. So yeah, sometimes that's the case. And that is the one thing. I don't know if I want this to be ASMR tufting videos where you hear the gun. I don't know if it's satisfying for you. So I'll make it half tufting gun. You'll hear it. And then the rest of that, it'll be just the music. I don't know. It's totally off topic, but I'm just letting you guys know that. Why you hear the tufting gun like the first half, and then the second half you only hear music.
Amazing. So, what do you think?
I can't believe you guys did this.
It's all because you love the drama. If I'm the waterworks.
You know, I've been wanting to fix this baby up ever since you got out here. But I never could afford it.
Alright, this is not appropriately figured for a guy your age.
Sorry, bro. I just need a little radio.
We all have fucking problems, but what now? I'm not doing breakfast today for you?
I'll make breakfast for you, bro.
Well, what's a little bit?
So after I did the stem, I went on to red. Red was the shading part of the image. I designed this myself, but I also got inspiration from other people's Etsy pages. They did the same thing. So I was like, I want to make it two colors. I don't want it to be just orange, and I didn't want to give it just a hint of red. I wanted to give it a lot of red. Because, you know, flames, you think red and orange at the same time. So I wanted to give a lot of red. Generous amount of red. So I gave it half of the fruit, and then the other half is orange. Once I finished the red, we switched to orange. And like I said, shitty angles, I'm sorry. I know, but you're going to see the finished product right now.
Take me to a meeting. I am so late. I can do it. Really? You do that?
What we got on TV? Wanna talk?
What's wrong with it?
you're gonna see the finished product. We're gonna glue. I'm gonna get my super duper nice scissors, cut it out of its frame. Get my big boy clippers, trim it up, and boom, you guys are gonna see the end product. It looks so clean. I was like, man, this is probably one of my more, not intricate, but more time-consuming rugs because of all the small edges and small spaces. I had to make sure I got the colors in. So I took my time with this one. I think this one took me 2 days because this is my first rug where I actually wanted it to look really, really nice. And this is up for sale on my Instagram page. So go ahead, DM me. I'll give you guys the size and all that. I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of this channel's videos, I guess. I don't know. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you want to see some more rug videos. If you want to see them in short increments, go ahead and follow us on our TikTok down below. If you want to buy a rug from our page, go ahead and follow us on Instagram down below. I am not doing commissions. I've already said that. I'm going to be doing whatever I make, I sell. So it's going to be mostly anime and just stuff that I found I love to. Or I wanted to make the rug because it seemed challenging. Because I want to challenge myself. And I want to challenge a lot of the people who are making rugs. So, you know, get out of your comfort zone and start making these detailed rugs. Because when you're done, the satisfaction is the best part of finishing the rug. It's just watching how you started from a blank canvas and you finish it, and it's a full-on rug. It's insane. And I think anybody who does full-on rugs and actually does like very detailed rugs, they can agree with me that it's just so satisfying seeing how your work came out and how it came out so clean. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do want to buy this rug, I said it's one of one. Go ahead, follow us on Instagram, and I will send it out to the first person who buys it. I'll see you all in the next one. Have yourself a beautiful day and enjoy the videos.